Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Reza Mahendra. I will recite my summary from my short story with the title Park in Unusual Time. I will recite the English one and the Indonesian one after the English. Park in an unusual time. That day, I wake up faster than usual. Therefore, I start my activity earlier that day. I do my daily jog on very early morning. My feet stop at park. At the park, I feel some gazer pointed to me. At the time, anyone except me were in the park. I feel scared. I finish my jog in a hurry. After that, everything went like usual. The only difference was I go home later than another day. When I was going home, I've passed the Sam Park with this morning. At the time, at that time, the time suddenly stopped. On the sound of the clock that's still ringing on my head. On that stopping word, I walk to the park clock. When I get to the front of the clock, I hug by someone from my back. She looked into my face, and when our maze made, the word was back as usual. I was running to my home, while a lot of questions full in my mind. Fear made me look at myself on my room. I can sleep even for a second at night. The fear refused me to sleep. On the midnight, on the same time like yesterday, I heard a voice calling to me. My body suddenly moving against my will, as lights answering to the voice. I gained the control of my body when I had in the park. At the park, under the clock, there was someone waiting for me. She was the one who calling me. She was the reason of my sin. Thanks. Her voice is the last sound that my ears can hear. That was the English version of my summary, and I will recite the Indonesian version of it. Taman di waktu yang tidak biasa. Pada hari itu, aku terbangun lebih cepat dari biasa. Oleh karena itu, aku memulai kegiatanku lebih cepat dari biasanya. Aku melakukan jogging harianku di pagi buta. Kakiku terhenti di sebuah taman. Di taman itu, aku merasakan pandangan-pandangan mengarah padaku. Di waktu yang seharusnya tiada siapapun selain aku. Merasa ketakutan, aku bergegas pulang ke rumahku. Setelah itu, semua berjalan seperti biasa. Satu-satunya yang berbeda adalah aku pulang dari sekolahku lebih sore dari biasanya. Saat aku berjalan pulang, aku melewati taman yang tadi. Di saat itu, seketika dunia berhenti bergerak. Hanya suara jam yang seharusnya tidak terdengar tergiang di tempat itu. Di dalam dunia yang berhenti itu, aku berjalan menuju jam taman. Saat aku berhenti di depannya, aku dipeluk oleh seseorang dari belakangku. Dia menengok ke arahku di saat mata kami bertemu. Saat itulah duniaku kembali seperti awal. Aku berlari ke rumahku selagi tanda tanya memenuhi benakku. Rasa takut membuatku mengurung diriku di kamarku. Aku tidak bisa tidur sepanjang malam itu. Ketakutanku menghalangiku untuk tidur. Pada tengah malam, di jam yang sama seperti kemarin, aku mendengar suara yang memanggilku. Mengikuti panggilan itu, tubuhku bergerak dengan sendirinya, memberontak terhadap keinginanku. Aku mendapatkan kembali kontrol tubuhku saat aku sudah di taman. Di taman itu ada orang yang menungguku di bawah jam taman. Dialah yang memanggilku ke sini. Dan untuk dialah apa yang baru saja aku lakukan. Makasih, ucapnya. Disitulah ceritaku berakhir. That was the summary of my short story. If you want to read the whole story, please chat me and I will give you the original script. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.